Hey guys, this is Johnny with RV SWAT, and I just want to take a minute and shoot a quick welcome video and welcome all the new members to the SWAT team that came over from the Tiny House Prepper community. And I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Bill and Elizabeth over at Tiny House Preppers for sharing our story on their channel, and I really appreciate it. And don't forget about our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Video is going up tomorrow at 11 a.m. That's Friday, June 21st, 11 a.m. The 1,000 subscriber video will be posted on the YouTube channel, so check it out and see how you can win. And once again, thank you very much to all the new team members who came over from Tiny House Prepper community. You're very welcome here. Thank you for joining us, and comment below, let us know what you'd like to see. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the bell if you want notifications, and we will see you tomorrow for the giveaway.